Welcome, dear friends. Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible journey your heart has been on? Decades of beating, pumping, keeping you moving, laughing, loving. It's an amazing, tireless organ, and as we gracefully navigate the second half of life, it deserves our unwavering support. Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I'm your healthcare author persona, and I'm passionate about helping us all live our healthiest, most fulfilling lives, especially as we gain the wisdom and experience that comes with age. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly vital: keeping your heart strong and vibrant, well into your 50s and beyond. I know that as we age, there can be concerns. We hear about heart disease, blood pressure, cholesterol, and it's natural to feel a little apprehension. But I want you to know something absolutely crucial. You have immense power to influence your heart health, and often it starts right in your kitchen. This isn't about restrictive diets or complicated regimens. It's about empowering ourselves with delicious, nourishing foods that are like a daily embrace for our hearts. So let's dive into my top 5 superfoods that are absolute champions for your heart after 50. These are foods that are readily available, easy to incorporate, and truly make a profound difference. And remember, this is a journey, not a race. Every small positive change adds up to a powerful impact. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have the incredible power of omega-3 rich fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Now, you might have heard about omega-3s before, but let me tell you why they are particularly crucial for our hearts as we age. As we get older, our bodies naturally experience a bit more inflammation. Chronic inflammation is like a silent saboteur. It can damage blood vessels and contribute to heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids are incredibly powerful anti-inflammatory agents. They help to calm that internal fire, protecting your arteries and keeping them supple. Beyond that, these healthy fats are fantastic for maintaining healthy blood pressure and triglyceride levels. Triglycerides are a type of fat in your blood, and high levels can increase your risk of heart disease. Omega-3s help keep them in check. And for those who are concerned about irregular heartbeats, these fatty acids can also help stabilize your heart's rhythm. Aim for at least 2 servings of these amazing fish per week. Think grilled salmon with a squeeze of lemon, or perhaps some sardines on whole grain toast. If fish isn't your thing, or you're plant-based, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts also offer plant-based omega-3s, which are still beneficial, though the marine sources offer EPA and DHA, which are particularly potent. But remember, any step towards incorporating these is a positive one. Coming in at number 2, we have a burst of color and flavor. Berries. Think blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, nature's little jewels. And they are absolutely packed with goodness for your heart. What makes berries so special are their incredibly high levels of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their rich hues. As we age, our cells are constantly exposed to oxidative stress from free radicals, which can damage them and contribute to heart disease. Antioxidants are like tiny superheroes, neutralizing these free radicals and protecting your precious heart cells. Research has shown that regular berry consumption can help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL, that's the bad, cholesterol, and improve the function of your blood vessels. They help keep your arteries flexible and wide, ensuring smooth blood flow. And the best part? They are delicious and versatile. Add them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Blend them into a smoothie, or simply enjoy a handful as a refreshing snack. Fresh or frozen, their heart protective benefits remain potent. So let's embrace these sweet little powerhouses every day. Our third superfood, a true powerhouse of nutrition, is leafy greens. I'm talking about spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens. The darker the green, the better. Why are these so vital for your heart after 50? Firstly, they are incredibly rich in nitrates. Now, don't confuse these with the nitrates found in processed meats. The natural nitrates in leafy greens are converted by your body into nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax and widen your blood vessels. This, in turn, helps to lower blood pressure and improve overall blood flow. Think of it like giving your arteries a relaxing stretch. Secondly, leafy greens are brimming with potassium. Potassium is a critical mineral that helps to balance sodium levels in your body. When sodium is too high, it can lead to fluid retention and increased blood pressure. Potassium helps to counter this, acting as a natural diuretic and supporting healthy blood pressure levels. And let's not forget their fiber content, which helps manage cholesterol, and their abundance of vitamins and minerals. So, how can you incorporate more? Add a handful of spinach to your eggs, toss some kale into your soups, or make a vibrant salad the star of your meal. Small additions throughout the day can make a big difference. Moving on to number 4, we have the crunchy goodness of nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds. These tiny treasures are packed with heart-loving nutrients. While they might be small, their impact is mighty. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are known to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, good cholesterol. This is crucial for maintaining healthy arteries and preventing plaque buildup. They are also fantastic sources of fiber. Fiber plays a vital role in heart health by helping to reduce cholesterol absorption in the gut and promoting healthy digestion. Furthermore, nuts and seeds provide important plant-based protein, which can be a healthy alternative to some animal proteins, and essential minerals like magnesium, which contributes to healthy blood pressure. Just a small handful a day can make a difference. Sprinkle chia or flax seeds over your oatmeal. Add walnuts to your salad, or simply enjoy a small portion of almonds as a satisfying snack. Remember, moderation is key with nuts, as they are calorie-dense, but their benefits are undeniable. And finally, rounding out our top 5, we have the comforting and incredibly beneficial power of oats and other whole grains. Think rolled oats, quinoa, brown rice, whole wheat bread, the unrefined versions of our favorite grains. The magic here lies primarily in their soluble fiber content, especially beta-glucan in oats. Soluble fiber acts like a sponge in your digestive system, binding to cholesterol and helping to usher it out of your body before it can be absorbed. This is a powerful mechanism for lowering LDL cholesterol levels. Beyond cholesterol management, whole grains contribute to stable blood sugar levels, which is important for overall cardiovascular health. They also provide sustained energy, helping you feel fuller for longer and potentially aiding in weight management. Another key factor for a healthy heart. Make a warm bowl of oatmeal your breakfast staple. Opt for quinoa or brown rice as a side dish instead of white rice, and choose whole wheat bread and pasta. It's a simple swap with profound benefits for your heart's long-term strength. So, there you have it, my top 5 superfoods that are truly superstars for your heart after 50. But I want to emphasize something very important. While these foods are incredibly powerful, they are part of a larger, holistic picture of heart health. It's not just about what you eat, but also how you live. Regular movement, finding joyful ways to be active, whether it's a brisk walk, dancing, or gardening, is crucial. Managing stress through practices like mindfulness, meditation, or simply spending time in nature can also profoundly impact your heart. Getting adequate, restorative sleep allows your heart to rest and repair. And perhaps most importantly, nourish your social connections. Laughter, support, and a sense of community are powerful tonics for both your emotional and physical well-being. Remember, you're not striving for perfection, but for consistency and progress. Every healthy choice you make, every superfood you incorporate, every step you take towards a more active lifestyle is a loving investment in your heart. I truly believe that our later years can be our healthiest and most vibrant. It's about building a foundation of wellness, one nourishing meal, and one intentional step at a time. Your heart has served you faithfully for decades. Now, let's show it the love and care it deserves. So, I encourage you to pick one or two of these superfoods this week and try to incorporate them more regularly. Notice how you feel. Experiment with new recipes. Make it an enjoyable journey of discovery. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your favorite heart-healthy foods? What are your tips for staying vibrant after 50? Let's build a supportive community together. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a stronger, healthier heart. Until next time, take good care of yourself and nurture that incredible organ within you.